if you want to get iPhone ringtone on Nothing Phone 3A, first of all, we can go to the Play Store and we're gonna search for iPhone ringtone. Of course, we have multiple different apps that we can use, that we can try. I'm gonna use this one as an example. I'm gonna show you how to access the iPhone ringtone and how to set it up on this phone. Once installed, of course, we want to open it. Let's press consent, and of course we have an ad, which is normal since the app is free. We can allow the app to access music and audio on this device so that we can actually save files on our phone, and the app can also set up the ringtone for us. And now we can play any of these ringtones in order to try to find the ringtone that we wish to set up. So let's say I want this one over here. What we can do now is press these three dots over here, I believe. Let's press ringtone now at the bottom. Let's actually double check if I can do something. No, okay. So we can tap on this ringtone. Of course we have an ad, so let's wait for the ad to be done. And then we should see the information that we have set the file as the default ringtone. So let's press OK. And just to be sure, I'm gonna call myself to check if it has been changed. And let's see. Yeah, it works just fine. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!